I'm about. You know what I'm about. The script and my grind and real talk in my mouth. What I'm about. You know what I'm about. The script and my grind and real talk in my mouth.
Crack up dawn, sunrise, motion for the day. Take heed, listen up, and hear what I say. I'm in the cut, a savage display of game circulation. Make the calculation. 36 zips makes a chicken fly the coop. I'm stuck on death row with a dog named Snoop. I'm a limp to the left, Skrilla Capital, Fetty for the cause. We true outlaws.
Electro spit, Bosco, yeah.
I'm on my special ass shit cause I got it mad. Bet 100, shoot 100, which one of y'all gon' fag? Live my life like Friday, I be doing the most. Shout out Molus Malone, I'm like you in the post. We don't do it on the block no more, my friend. We pull up in garages on IROC rent. Got your number locked in, little homie, and I'ma get back. And if the price is right, then I'ma get that. I'm maniac, my shit is like a movie screen. And I'm a fool, them bitches don't know what to do with me. Don't believe in the tomfoolery, cause when you fucking with the yak, it's all about what you do for me. Now watch me do 100 on the freeway to the next city, the PDLD way. When they told me that life had options, I chose to get a bag of that cash to keep it poppin', nigga. We keep it lit up in the 503. Give a pilly if these niggas wanna ride on me.